Hey guys, what's up? So I am at Nature Bazaar, which is in Delhi, Chhatapur right now, and this festival is going on till 23rd October, starting on 10th October. So we'll just see the mela, what's all happening, and then we'll just carry on, right? So let's have a look. I've just entered. So there are a couple of plants here. So you can just have a view here. So this is basically all different kind of plants here and different varieties. So you can have a view. I mean, it's beautiful. And this is the place where it starts. So guys, we have entered the Nature Bazaar, and this is one stall where there are a lot of cups, beautiful variety, I would say. So now I am at a bamboo shop. There is a huge variety of things there. This is beautiful, and मेरे साथ हैं सोमदेवन जी. तो ये अलग अलग बैम्बू से बनी हुई चीज़ों के बारे में बताएंगे. तो सोमदेवन जी बताइए क्या क्या है आपकी शॉप में यहाँ पे.
लौकी का बना है, बैम्बू का बना है.
अच्छा, तो ये क्या है? अगर ये देखेंगे हम, जैसे ये पीछे जो लाइट्स हैं ये बहुत सुंदर हैं. तो ये क्या किससे, बैम्बू से बनी है?
नहीं, लौकी से बनी है.
लौकी क्या होता है?
वेजिटेबल.
अच्छा, वेजिटेबल से बनती हैं. ये स्पेशलिटी है. तो ये स्पेशलिटी है शॉप की. ये बहुत ब्यूटीफुल है. सो नाउ आई एम एट ओपीक and here I have Kritika with me. So she will just explain about the stall, what we have here. Yeah.
So I would want to start with the furniture then.
Okay.
These are some ottomans which have been upside different tiles.
Okay.
Tiles.
Okay.
And these are the scale furniture. We do usually use different materials.
Okay.
Create products.
Okay.
These are also our best sellers. The ottomans, we have jute at the base.
Okay.
And cane at the top.
Okay.
Then we have these candle holders in vibrant colors, which is made out of metal, and we've done meenakari work on it, meenakari color on it.
Okay.
And these have been, we've given some Arabic designs to it.
Okay.
And inspired from Sanji.
Mm-hmm. Okay. So what is the speciality of these candles? Like where are these candles manufactured?
It's manufactured in Greater Noida in our unit.
All right. So you run a company called Opaque, where
Which Opaque is in Greater Noida. We have
Okay.
our own manufacturing. We manufacture all
Okay,
these lamps
okay.
and lights and the furniture as well.
So guys, you can see like beautiful furniture hai, and a lot of variety in terms of candles and lights, and it's a festival lights, so you will definitely would like to cover in this Nature Bazaar. And then we have some
Some terracotta and cane plant pots and plastics and wood. Again, there's a fusion of terracotta and cane here. And we also try to add, to make it more eco-friendly. These are eco-friendly products, and to make it eco-friendly, we've also add twigs to it as handles, so you
Okay.
can easily use it as salad bowls.
Okay.
And so probably just gift with dry fruits in it on Diwali.
So this is a very creative model, as you can see, and quite a lot of things to explore here. And this is a beautiful
This is a key holder.
Key
We
holder.
have a pin board. You have magnets.
Okay.
You can attach your keys to the magnets here.
So this is again beautiful. So nice meeting you, Kritika, and thanks a lot for your time. Yeah. So these are some tire stools and the bucket stools. So you can see it's very flexible. You can have a seat in a very flexible manner. Really great, isn't it? And this you already saw, guys. So a lot of variety in terms of clothes, especially for ladies and women. And here we are, and some stuff to buy as well. Quick buy. तो ये क्या होगा हमारा? नेक, तो ये नेक पीस है हमारा. एंड ये टॉयस है, बच्चों के लिए खेलने के लिए खिलौना है. अच्छा गाड़ी के लिए. So it's a good thing to buy for your car. And then something in terms of the pillows you have. And then of course the clothes here. And the carry bags. Here it is. Yep. So this is Dastakar stall. And here we cover all the sarees for women. So this is Sahiba silk sarees. Again, good stuff for women and ladies. And then here we come up with some crafts, Hunar crafts. So this stall is from Jammu and Kashmir, and then we have a good variety in terms of crafts. So now I am at Balaji hand print stall from Rajasthan.
चित्तौड़गढ़ अकोला गाँव.
चित्तौड़गढ़ से हैं यहाँ. तो यहाँ पे आप क्या सेल कर रहे हैं?
यहाँ पर रनिंग फैब्रिक जिसमें सूट मटेरियल, ड्रेस मटेरियल होता है और साड़ी में और दुपट्टा.
अच्छा, तो ये किससे बनता है?
ये सारा मिट्टी से बनता है, दाबू.
तो गाइस ये मिट्टी से बनता है. वेरी स्पेशल फ्रॉम राजस्थान, चित्तौड़गढ़ अकोला से, विलेज से है. तो यू शुड डेफिनेटली विजिट दिस स्टॉल एंड हैव अ व्यू एट नेचर बाजार. So that's it. And this is from Odisha. So you can see a mat here. ये सबाई ग्रास से बनता है from Odisha. और यहाँ पे हमारे पास दियाज भी हैं दिवाली के. So Diwali is coming soon. So you can shop from here. And then we have few trays here for carrying stuff. So again decors here. And then we have some bags for ladies. So yeah, this is from Odisha, Kalaghar stall. So few baskets again from Odisha. And few again sarees from West Bengal here. A famous shop here. You can definitely visit shop. And then again stuff from Rajasthan. Again a huge variety from Rajasthan in terms of sarees. You should definitely, women should definitely visit the place before the Mela ends. And these are few suits. And then some beautiful paintings here. So this is from Delhi, Meena Handicrafts. And big paintings. Beautiful, right? Few jewelry items for women to buy from Himachal, Himalayan Handicrafts. Something to hang on. Beautiful paintings to buy again from Himachal Pradesh, Tibetan Thanka paintings. Sorry if I'm not pronouncing it correctly. Yeah. And then Vijay Dashti, so many designs again from Delhi. Again for women. And also jewelry. So here you can see a lot of shops. Mostly for women and ladies to buy. And then beautiful paintings again from Bihar basically. Beautiful stuff to buy for candles for Diwali. Here you can see again items, handmade items for your house. This thing, I'm loving it. So if you want to relax, you can buy this. And then few beautiful stuff to buy. Again handmade. So handmade masks from Pondicherry. You can see. Okay. and then beautiful lights here. Diwali is coming soon. Again from Pondicherry. Yeah. And stuff for women to buy in terms of suits and then dupatta. And few beautiful boxes. Beautiful artwork in terms of from Delhi. Some keychains to buy and then a lot of baskets. This is from UP, Moonch Crafts. And then if you have something to carry on and something to keep, this is a nice place to come at. Again, a lot of stuff to buy in terms of earrings, bracelets, anklets. Here. And beautiful paintings from Rajasthan. Here. So this is these are handmade paintings from Rajasthan and stone. So मेरे साथ हैं
मुकुल जोशी मेरा नाम है,
हाँ
मैं
जी।
राजस्थान से हूँ।
हाँ जी।
और ये पिछवाई आर्ट है। पिछवाई पिच यानी जस्ट पीछे, वाई यानी जस्ट हैंगिंग।
अच्छा।
तो इसका पूरा नाम पिछवाई है। एंड देन ये राजस्थान के नाथद्वारा टेम्पल्स की जो है वो पेंटिंग्स है। इसमें श्रीनाथ जी एंड काउस का इतना सारा काम होता है।
काफ़ी सुंदर है ये। So you should definitely visit this stall. Beautiful paintings here. Now we have something from West Bengal. Wooden work, earrings, something to buy for your bathroom, and something decorative. So something again for ladies here. You can buy. This is from Uttarakhand. Something to eat, and this is something amazing. Kakra, and then we have something to buy in terms of different spices, I think. And then we have this is from Dehradun. And these are some bags for ladies from West Bengal. Leather bags. If you are interested, visit this stall by Ashish Nath. And then something creative here. This is beautiful, right? By Force Water. And something to shop for Diwali. And then we are at a stall where you can buy some gifts for Diwali. Honey, chocolates. This is some wooden work. Hello. Vehicles basket. Now I come to something block maker. Something really creative stuff. Something really beautiful colors, right? And the flowers here. And some creative mugs here. Something amazing, right? And then we have some plates, trays here. This is from Manipur, northeast. Yeah. And how can we end a story without flowers? Something for a decor and something to put at your home. And some carry bags. Now we are at some different stalls here. We can cover something new here, something interesting. Although all stalls are unique. Let's something from Delhi in terms of wood. And then we have something in terms of cups, mugs. This is something unique. Green Arab from Delhi. Guys, we are done with the journey and have an amazing experience. Thank you. Bye. So guys, it's evening and it's time to say bye, but I don't want to. So this is just our nature bazaar, and I'm signing off. Bye.